Till now, whatever you studied was all velocity, speed, relative velocity, displacement, all these things, correct? Now, in this video, you are going to learn something very important. That's what we call as acceleration. Okay, now, till now, you have come across this word acceleration many times. Like acceleration due to gravity, lot of things. But what do you mean by acceleration? We need to know that. Okay. Now, suppose, let's say you're moving in a car. Okay. So in the car you have three pedals, correct? One is the brake, one is the clutch, and one is the accelerator. Now that it's called as accelerator for you have the meaning of it, right? Accelerator. So if you press that pedal, what happens? The vehicle speeds up. Correct? Now actually the speeding up, that whenever the accelerator is pressed, you feel that something, you're going very fast, correct? That's acceleration, meaning the velocity is changing, correct? With respect to time, velocity is changing, correct? So acceleration is basically non-uniform motion. Okay, so non-uniform velocity. So what we say is acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Okay, it's a rate of change of velocity. So for a very small change in velocity and with respect to a very small change in time, this ratio is what we call as acceleration. Okay, now very simple method to find out acceleration is, when we say rate of change, meaning final value minus the initial value, correct? So let's call the final velocity as v and the initial velocity as u. So v minus u will be the change in velocity, and we have to figure out the time, correct? So let's call that time as t2 minus t1. So acceleration A is equal to v minus u by t2 minus t1. Okay, now coming to the unit, because every physical quantity has a unit. Now for acceleration, it is velocity by time, correct? Velocity's unit was what? Meter per second. So we have meter per second per second. So meter per second square. So this is the SI unit of acceleration. Okay. So later on you will see different types of acceleration and examples for different types of acceleration. Okay.